Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, October 14, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, October 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong October 14, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, October 14, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for October 14, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, October 14, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.